Well friends, here is problem number 5, and the problem is, yes, it is based on figures. So we have to find relationship between these two figures or the analogy between these two figures and then use the same analogy to find this missing figure. So observe these two figures, find the analogy between them and use the same analogy to find this missing figure. So I will give 5 minutes so that you can try this example and then I will solve this. So whenever you come across with the problems related to figures, what you have to do? Yes, you have to observe carefully the given figures and then find the relationship or the analogy between them and use that to find the missing one. Okay. So this is the first figure, this is the second. So how they are related? In the previous example I said clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. So rotating the given figure in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. And in the previous example we found that colored portion is interchanged with blank. Okay. So very similar analogy is used here. Find that and get the correct option. Okay, now I will solve this example. So here this is the first figure and this is the second figure. So this first figure is rotating by 180 degree. So if you rotate this figure by 180 degree, you will get this. Okay, rotating this in clockwise or in anti-clockwise. If you rotate this in 180 degree, you will get this figure. And the colored portion is interchanged with the blank. So here I am having a blank circle and a colored square, a square which is filled with color. But the second figure, the square is empty, which is blank, and the circle is filled with color. Colored portion and blank portion is interchanged. And this figure is rotated by 180 degrees. So this is the analogy, and the same analogy can be used to find this missing figure. So what we have to do? Use this figure, rotate it by 180 degree, and then you have to change the colored portion with the blank portion. You have to interchange the colored and blank portion. So if you rotate this 180 degree, which figure you are going to get? Whether you are going to get this or the option 3 or option 4. Which figure you are going to get? Yes, if you rotate that by 180 degree, what you are going to get? Yes, you are going to get like this. Okay. So that will be you will get a similar figure like this. And next is you have to interchange this colored portion with the blank. So in the previous I am having colored portion with the hexagon. Now I have to make it blank. So this is blank. Now I have to fill color here. So this will be my missing figure. Okay. Now which option is matching with this figure? It is first option. So first option is the right option. So whenever you come across with the problems related to figures, there is no need of going with trying different things. You just observe the given figures. Given figures will give you the relationship, and the same relationship can be used to get the missing figures. So usually the given figures will be rotated by 90 degree or 180 degree, or sometimes the mirror image will be given and the colored portion is interchanged with blank, or even some new shapes will be added in the next figure. So such type of analogy or such type of relations will be there. If you solve more number of problems, definitely you are going to get the idea how to solve the problems related to figures. Okay, I completed this problem number 5, and the option 1 is going to be the right answer. Now I will move to problem number 6.